Hi everyone, welcome to Beyond Headlines Current Affairs. We are back today with the Genius Act. The Genius Act is an act passed by the House of Senate for stabilizing cryptocurrencies. And there are cryptocurrencies which are of two types. One, the volatile nature, and the other one are relatively stable. So this act aims at drawing legislation which can stabilize the stabilized cryptocurrencies that are called as stable coins. So, the stable coins are much stable as we all know, and its value approximately is $1 per one stable coin. So now, before knowing more about the legislation, let us come back to the cryptocurrencies. So what are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies, or we can call them as digital tokens, which are used by online users across the world to transactions. So these are easy. The transactions which can be done through the cryptocurrencies are easy because irrespective of the country's currency, they can trade with cryptocurrencies. So the first cryptocurrency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. This is a pseudonym which was kept for an anonymous programmer or a group of programmers who first introduced us to the cryptocurrency, that is the Bitcoin. So apart from Bitcoin, there are other currencies like Ether, and almost all countries do not allow trading or exchange in cryptocurrencies except two nations in the world, which are El Salvador and Central African Republic. Apart from these two countries, almost all the countries banned trading or exchange in cryptocurrencies, with countries like China developing very stringent laws and banning cryptocurrencies altogether. So, with this in view, the US Senate brought out the legislation, and this legislation was approved by the House of Senate on June 17, 2025. And this bill is yet to get passed in the House of Republic, and once it get passed in the House of Republic, maybe there will be some sort of regulation, because till now cryptocurrency is not regulated, and the value of the cryptocurrency depends solely on what the person is ready to pay or what the person is offering for the cryptocurrency. So the value sometimes goes very high and sometimes it falls down to very low. So there is no stabilizing factor here. So this is exactly what is being addressed. So instead of having a volatile currency, people are showing interest in having a stable currency, stable digital currency, that is, and that's why it's named as stable coins. So now the legislation aims at bringing proper regulations and audits for stable coins, issuers of stable coins, so that the transactions are much easier, much legal, and the Genius Act, in fact, is guiding and establishing national innovation for US Act. This is what Genius means. Genius is an acronym for the whole thing. So guiding and establishing national innovation for US Act is the Genius Act. Once this act is passed by the House of Representatives, it becomes a law, and we are yet to see the effects, and hopefully this brings better stability in the digital currency. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.